You're just about to answer the questions. All right, so hopefully that doesn't happen again. All right. Yeah. All right, cool. So I'm gonna answer all the possible questions, or give all the possible answers. So for these answers, you could have written through the use of unclean water to cook food. That's one possible answer. One possible answer. Another possible answer you could have written by storing foods where rats can get to it, or by not storing foods appropriately. Yet another answer you could have written would be if we do not wash our hands thoroughly before preparing food. Additionally, you could have written all of these answers are possible answers. Damaged packaging. Such as damaged cans. And finally, you could have written when we do not wash fruits, which can have, I guess that'll be for vegetables too, right? Which can have germs on them. That should be on vegetables too. Then, yeah. So what I did, yeah, I see that answer there. Good. I think we included that. So what I did, I put all the possible answers there. So different students have different answers and I think differently. So they needed two. I actually put five there. So these are all the possible answers you could have written for that. Okay. Number 20, it says, why do you think the words buy cold food last in line 5 are all in bold letters? We were talking about that. It says here, why do you think the words buy cold food last, line 5 are all in bold letters? Why is that? Okay. So we know where that is because we read it twice. So the sentence says, one of the main things to remember on a shopping trip is to buy cool food last and get it home fast. Why is this in bold letters? Any ideas? Why is that in bold letters? Right? Okay, so it definitely stands out, and that is exactly the reason for it. Okay, so you need to explain your answer. You have 2 lines to write your answer and explain yourself, and it's going to be 2 marks for your answer. So you could have put anything along the lines of this, right? This is in bold letters to capture the attention of the reader, right? And so it could be so that's one answer you could have written. You could have also said it is very important, and it is one of the things you should focus on, since the writer, I'm going to use a word here, emphasizes, or I should say the writer wants to emphasize. Okay. So anything along those lines, right, would be good for your answer. Okay. Yeah, pretty much. Let's continue. Number 21. According to the passage, suggest two reasons why a refrigerator is important in a home. Right? According to the passage, suggest two reasons why a refrigerator is important in the home. Right? Okay. So let's go back to where that is found. I remember seeing the word refrigerator somewhere here, and it's easy for me to find it because I read it twice. So it says here, to prevent this, as soon as we are through shopping, we should return home and put all the cool things in the refrigerator. Be sure to store packages of raw meat, poultry, and fish on plates in the fridge so their juices would not drip on other food. Okay? So, refrigerators are important because they want two reasons, right? So a mark per reason, 2 marks here and 2 lines here. You could put all these possible answers. You could have written, it stores refrigerators, that is, right? It stores things you buy in the grocery, right? You could have also written, keeps your foods cold. Okay, next one we have so that bacteria